Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umintay rang ba ka jalaw badayru National President ka National People's Party ukondat ki sangma uloong ba ka Seng kan treshitom nakabenta ka election ka banwan bad ban Jied ki Kyrtong ki badan Beit bad ka Seng bad ru ki badan kalat ban job. Ula banrap da ka baong ba udan ka jingkerman ka babha kani ka election ka banwan par uloong ru ba ka election kalong ki bajwat bha bad kimna ban sukhen suk hendai ki dei ban treshitom. Shu loong baka Seng kapet iki beriu ki badan Beit bat ka Seng baru ki badan ka jingkerman ban job ban train na ka bentau pat ba habakali lada don ni em ki MLE ki ban du tiket na ka Seng u national president ka Seng uloong baka tarik jong ka election kim pat pen bana hendai kin yai up kumno kan long.
So definitely NPP also is preparing and we are working hard and we are doing our best to ensure that we select the right candidates and we're working hard to also organize a party. So let's hope for the best. Election is always tough. I've always mentioned one cannot take anything for granted and one cannot take election as easy and one cannot take your opponents lightly. Every opponent is a serious opponent and it is the mindset that is important and I want that our candidates should approach election with a very serious mindset.
All the seats will be contested, 60 seats or?
Let's see. Maximum will be contested.
So what will be the criteria for the candidates to get the tickets? Because they're
so for us, what's important is we look at both party loyalty and the commitment to the party and the commitment to the people is something that's very important to us. And of course, we also look at winnability. So it is a question of mixing and matching both these criteria that are major decision makers for us, decision-making criteria for us. But apart from that, of course, we look at the overall background of the candidate. We look at the individual's objectives to move forward and how they want to work for the constituency. All these things also are important to us.